Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim video in Instagram story. So when you open up your Instagram app, as you can see on your screen, and you want to create a story, you just want to go right here and try to go on your gallery to choose a video that you want to put on story. Now you need to remember that if you put on a video that is more than a minute, it will automatically trim your video on this Instagram story. And you don't have access right here to trim your video actually. So you need to go out right here on this application and find other software that can trim your video. So for example, you can try to go on Play Store and you can download some video editor like a Power Director, Filmora, Viva Video, CapCut, or any video editor that you can use right here. Or actually, you can go also on your own gallery and you have right here a built-in video editor that you can trim your video. For example, you want to choose this video right here and you will find out that scissor icon at the bottom. Then if you tap that scissor icon, you can now go directly to a video editor where you can trim your video right away. So once you've done, you can now save this video right here and you can now post on your Instagram story. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.